So now we want to create our solution slide where we are the hero of our story. Again, we want to set our background, so on the PC I can right click and format background, picture or texture file, and under picture source insert, and I'm going to choose from a file and choose my image. You'll choose whatever image you're using for your solution slide. We're going to use a lot of what was on our problem slide, so we can go back to it and just copy the overlay, the logo, text and the red box. To do this, we hold down the Shift key and select these 4 items. I use Ctrl and C to copy, and we go back to our solution slide and Ctrl and V to paste it over our image. Now we want to add in our 3 circles, so we go Insert, Shapes and Oval. I want to get a perfect circle, so we hold down the Shift key and drag our circle into shape. We want to make sure our circle is the same colour as the logo, and we know how to do that. We want 3 circles, so it's just a case of selecting our circle, holding down the Control key or Command key on the Mac, so we should get a little cross symbol, and when we do we can drag this copied shape to the right and create another. And we can do that again. We want to make sure our middle circle is dead in the centre, so we can select it, Shape Format, Align and Align Centre. Our guidelines will tell us when these circles are perfectly aligned, as we can see from our vertical and horizontal lines. Now we just need to add in our icon. So here we go, Insert and Icon. I'm going to choose an airplane. We can resize this and recolor it. I'm going to choose white. We want to make sure the icon is in the center of the circle, which is assisted by our guidelines. I'm also going to rotate the icon 45 degrees. And we can choose 2 other icons and do the same thing. So for the second one, I'm going to choose a money icon. For the third icon, I'm going to choose people. Now we want these icons to be white, so again, let's just change that and we know how to do it. So the last thing we need to do is to add in our text. So again, it's Insert and Text Box. We want to drag the sides of the text to the left and to the right so that it aligns with our circle. I'm just going to copy and paste in some dummy text here. And again, to copy this text, I'm going to hold down the Control key or the Command key on the Mac and hover over this text until I see our little cross. And then we can drag it over to the right. And make sure this is aligned. And the same again for our third text box. And again, we want to make sure that this is aligned. Of course, this is just placeholder text, and you'll put your own text in here. So finally, let's look at our finished solution slide.